Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to solve this problem to find the x value. Solution: 3 power x equal to x power 9. Now we are going to remove this x by adding in power 1 by x. So 3 power x whole power 1 by x equal to x power 9 whole power 1 by x. Now we know this express identity is, that is, a power m whole power n equal to a power m times n. This we are going to apply here. So we'll get 3 power x times 1 by x equal to x power 9 times 1 by x. This x cancels this. 3 equal to x power 9 by x. Now same way we are going to move this 9 out. So we are going to add 1 by 9 on both sides in power. So 3 power 1 by 9 equal to x power 9 by x whole power 1 by 9. According to the formula, we are going to add this 1 by 9 x power 9 by x times 9. So this cancels this. So we have 3 power 1 by 9 equal to x power 1 by x. Now we are going to add here in power 3 power 3 by 3, which is equivalent to 1 times 1 by 9 equal to x power 1 by x. So now 3 power 3 times 1 by 3 times of 9 is 27 equal to x power 1 by x. So this can be written as 3 power 3 whole power 1 by 27 equal to x power 1 by x. Now this is 3 power 3 is 27 power 1 by 27 equal to x power 1 by x. We see this base is 27. Here x, power is 1 by 27, here is x. So x equal to 27. This is the answer here. We are going to verify this. Verify this 3 power x equal to x power 9. Applying x equal to 27 here. So we'll get 3 power 27 equal to 27 power 9. So 3 power 27 here equal to this 27 can be written as 3 power 3 whole power 9. 3 power 27 equal to, according to this formula, express identity, 3 power 3 times of 9. So 3 power 27 equal to 3 power 3 times of 9 is 27. So LHS equal to RHS, thus verified. Thanks for watching this video.